Topic 9. Technology of protective coatings. Lecture plan, 1 hour, 1. The integrated process with the device roofs. 2. Technology device of roofs with modern materials. 3. Technology of waterproofing coatings. 4. The insulation device. 5. Ways to provide anti-corrosive protection of building structures. 6. Quality control. 7. Basic safety regulations. Purpose and types of roofs. Roofs that are constantly exposed to weather conditions must be waterproof, durable, strong, water-resistant, unsalable and heat-resistant. The most durable roofs made of piece materials. Tiles serve 60 years or more, asbestos cement 30 or more, steel 25. The device of rolled roofs is less labor-intensive, but their service life is only 5 to 10 years. The level of mechanization of roofing is still low, only 10%. This is not enough, especially if you take into account the dangerous conditions of their production at height, with the use of materials heated to a high temperature. This indicator can be improved by complex mechanization of the roof construction process at facilities, and by performing some of them at factories that produce coating structures. The most progressive direction of improving the device of roofs is the use of monolithic thermoinsulating and mastic waterproofing materials, as well as the use of plates of full factory readiness. Such complex coating panels made of light structural concrete can have layers of steam, heat insulation, rolled carpet or several layers of mastic for mastic roofs. Roof slabs of full factory readiness consist of a rigid protective coating, asbestos cement sheets and profiles, aluminum sheets, fiberglass, and effective insulation, foam, and other materials, which can alternate with their layers. Of interest are non-coated panels made of polymer concrete, which has sufficient strength, high thermal and waterproofing properties. After installing the coating panels, the joints between them must be sealed. Device of roofs made of rolled materials. The basis for rolled roofs can be reinforced concrete slabs, solid wooden flooring, cement sand, or asphalt concrete screeds arranged along the thermal insulation layer. Cement sand leveling screed is made from a solution not lower than M50 in strips 2-4 m wide and up to 30 mm thick, performed one after setting the solution. Asphalt concrete screeds are arranged only for rigid insulation with roof slopes of up to 20%. Before applying the roll carpet sticker, the base screed must be dried and primed. Concrete and cement sand bases are primed with cold bituminous or tar depending on the type of roll material used, and wood with hot mastic. Asphalt concrete base is not grooved. Technological schemes for cleaning and priming the bases are shown in Fig. 1. Rolled bituminous materials, roofing material, pergamon, izol, waterproofing, etc. are pasted on. Bituminous mastics, lightweight, roofing leather, etc. on tar, pitch, tar bitumen on. Bituminous or tar polymer materials on tar mastic not lower than 160, tar 130, rubber bitumen 180, tar 70 C. Roll materials before use are cleaned from sprinkling and rewound in special machines. Saw 2. The number of main layers of concrete materials in the roof depends on the slope of the roof. If the slope is more than 15% of the roof is made 2-layer, up to 2.5% 5-layer. In Razalovka, endovaz, drain pipes, abutments to vertical surfaces, additional layers of rolled material are glued. If the roof slope is up to 15%, the panels of rolled materials are rolled out and pasted perpendicular to the water flow, and if the slope is more than 15% parallel to it, while the panel is passed to 50 mm from the ridge to the opposite slope. Roll materials are glued overlapping in the longitudinal and transverse directions with the joints running apart in adjacent layers. The joints must not coincide vertically. Overlap in the width of the panels is assumed to be equal to 70 to 100 mm, in length 100 mm, regardless of the slope of the roof. The device of a waterproofing carpet begins with cornices, abutments, drainage funnels from the lowered sections to the raised ones from bottom to top. Hot and cold mastics are delivered to the facility in autosprayers, trailed bitumen boilers, or in special installations, and fed to the roof via pipelines by pumps or lifts, and light cranes in containers with a capacity of up to 80 kilograms. On the base of the mastic sprayed nozzle sprayers that operate from special installations or pumps that allow you to use both cold and hot mastics. The roll, leveling and pressing of panels produced with the help of rollers of Raskatov. A special self-propelled pasted machine applies mastic, unwinds, stacks and rolls the rolled material. Ensuring high quality of work and labor productivity of up to 1,500 meters squared of single-layer rolled carpet. Shift. The deposited roofing material is glued by melting the mastic coating on the lower side of the layers of glued roofing material with hot air, infrared rays, or the flame of special burners running on gaseous or liquid fuel. The speed of movement of the burners and the rolling device is determined by the time the mastic melts. The use of surfaced roofing material allows you to reduce labor costs for the device of a rolled carpet by 2 times, reduce the cost of work, save mastic and bitumen. The device of the protective layer of rolled carpet is mechanized by hanging a special hopper on the pasted machine, which is loaded with gravel or stone chips. After applying the mastic, it is sprinkled with crumbs and rolled with a roller. In hot climates, water-filled roofs are effective, which are arranged from 4 layers of roofing leather on tar mastic. Technology of performance of the waterproofing coating thermal insulation device. Thermal insulation in the finished form, called a thermal insulation structure, includes a thermal